The heating services, we offer the precision tune-up. It's a 21-point precision tune-up, and we believe it's very important if you have a natural gas-fired furnace in your attic. Keep everybody safe from carbon monoxide or gas leaks or potential explosions. We offer commercial heating, air conditioning, ventilation, and refrigeration services citywide. It's very important to have professional trained, factory trained, registered with the state of Texas, NATE certified technicians. We do have 24-hour emergency service in both the commercial and residential market.